fucked. I've had these for a while, actually. Because you're wondering, I know. Right? Unless you actually are Andy. You know when they started. I'm getting sore. Like, what do you think? My throat hurts sometimes. A lot of ones hurt a lot. Well, I guess not all.